Hello everyone, my name is Jojo, and today we're here at Yates Cider Mill. You can see like right there. And today we're gonna try their donuts. We're gonna look around, see what the place has to offer, maybe look at some goats, go on a nature walk, and that's really about it. So without further ado, let's venture and explore in. As we come up into the entrance, there's a little bit of just some cool little wagons, and then over here, as you can see, this is all the history. You can pause the screen right now. Up over here, there's a bit of a sidewalk if you want to get to the other side, where there's just like a small park, like a picnic park. Real cool. Here, as you can see, there's actually a menu right here. And as you can see, normally in their harvest season, they normally have a fudge kitchen and an apple tent and that really cool stuff. We'll probably have a separate video for those kind of things. And then over here, since in this time of recording, it's summer right now, you can get some ice cream from 1 to 9:30. Here is a look at the summer hours. Remember, this is of summer 2025, so could change, but you could always look at their website. When we're inside the building, as you can see, just got some cool little history. So as you can see, we got picture on picture. Really cool how they display their history. Now what we're gonna do next is going and get our donuts, because that's important as well. And as you can see, here's the menu if you want to see it. It's probably on the screen by now. And before we do that, I'm gonna look at the general store as well. So you can see, this is the general store. You got all your general stuff in here. We got t-shirts and like all that, like, how would I say it, like merch that you can get. And then normally we just got like some jellies and some like jams and such, just like made products here in sight, and that's quite cool. Okay, so I just got my donuts, as you can see, and I'm gonna try them and I'm gonna see what they think. Oh, that's like, so I'm just gonna go get one of these. You can see over there, not powdered, cinnamon sugar. As you can see, it's really soft. Yep, that looks good. And I'm gonna take a bite of it. So let's see about it. It's really soft, really chewy as well, and it's actually quite nice as well. The cinnamon sugar, they add a touch as well. And yeah, this is actually a good donut, if I do say so myself. I've just come where I ate from over there, and the cider mill. And over here, they got some goats. So as you can see, there's a goat right there. I don't know what that thing is, and there's also one on this like little tower. Aren't they so cute? So cute. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure you can feed these goats as well. Another thing you can do. Over here, as you can see, that's the Frankenmuth Fudge Kitchen, and normally next by is the apple tent. Those are available in the harvest season, so I'll definitely make a separate video for that. And then over here is a little picnic area, really cool. And then if we go up this hallway, excuse me, no, trail. There's some like trail tips and the overall map right here. And it's actually a nice walk. So as you can see, that's basically everything here. at Yates Cider Mill. And before we end this video, I'm gonna go and just take a few like cinematics at the nature trail, because why not? And make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.